Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're going to be looking at some top icon packs for February 2018. We've got 5 different icon packs in today's video, so let's take a look. So first up we have Adora UI. Now this has around 2,000 icons and around 17 cloud wallpapers. In regards to the actual icon design themselves, it does remind me a little bit of what you're going to find on the Samsung Galaxy S8, but a lot more colourful and a lot more flat. Now they're not necessarily uniform icons, they're not all exactly the same shape, so you do have some variation in there, but in regards to the icons they look extremely nice and bold, especially on an AMOLED screen. We then have the Cavion icon pack. Now this is a relatively brand new icon pack because as you can see at the moment there's only around 386 custom icons at the moment, so on my device in particular there's 90 icons that aren't going to be skinned whatsoever. In regards to the ones that are actually skinned, they've got a really nice bold round design to them with some really awesome colours and a really nice flat profile. I do like that all the icons themselves are uniform in the shape, and they've got some really bright vibrant colours again that would look really nice on an AMOLED screen like my Moto Z that I'm using here. Next up, and my favourite out of today's picks, is iDuke. Now this is a really nice icon pack with around 4,500 custom icons and 45 cloud wallpapers. Now it is a little bit strange, with over 4,000 icons, there's still 78 icons on my particular device that aren't going to be skinned. However, as you can see from the ones that are, it's got a really nice pastel colour palette, and you've got some really nice line designs that is unlike any icon pack that I've seen before. There's not really any sort of outlines to the icons themselves. Yes, there are lines in the actual icons and some shapes, but it is kind of just made up by the lines themselves. As you can see here, looking at Google Chrome for example, there's no circle that goes right around the outside, it's all going to be within the icon themselves. So again, a little bit different to what we've seen before, and that's particularly why I enjoy this one. If you're looking to emulate the look and design of the Samsung Galaxy S8, then you can't go wrong with the Infinite S8 icon pack. You've got around 2,600 custom icons and 58 cloud wallpapers, and they've just got a really nice design to them. There's a lot of bright, vibrant, neon-like colours, all the icons themselves are uniform and exactly the same shape, and you've got some really nice line designs as well, so if you look at something like Instagram or Facebook, you can see there that it's just a very bright background with some white lines, but it does a really good job to actually make the icons pop. And then lastly we have ZZ Icons. Now this is a relatively new icon pack, so there's going to be under 300 icons, but they've got a really nice sketch colour design to them that I'm really a fan of. Now around 2-ish years ago I was actually looking at doing an icon pack for myself, and it was very much like these ZZ Icons that we're looking at here. You've got a really nice design to them that makes them all look hand drawn with some really nice colours, but the lines themselves aren't perfect, which again is something that I actually like. And that's going to do it guys for this video. Now all 5 icon packs are available in the Play Store and they're going to be linked in the description down below. If you guys have got any questions about any of the packs that you've seen today, let me know in the comments section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. Also don't forget to follow me on all of my social networks from Facebook, Instagram and also Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe here on Copper vs Glass for more content moving forward. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified anytime I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.